All right, so today I bring you a great microphone, the TONOR TC77. This is perfect microphone. It's a USB, so no drivers required. Why so? Compatible with your Linux, Windows, or Mac. Just plug it in and automatically will detect it. Now, this microphone that will be perfect for, let's say if you want to make some nice and clear Zoom calls. How about if you want to run your own podcast? You had it. Or a gaming channel, or whatever it is. It's a simple and easy to install. Comes with a small tripod and also with the pop filter. That's what I'm going to show you right now. All right, so we got the TC77. All right, that's USB condenser microphone. All right, so it will automatically power up through the USB. It doesn't require any phantom power or anything. All right, so 2 years warranty right there, and it gives you the full instructions. You know how to install this microphone, but pretty simple, and again it's compatible with all the operating systems. Okay, we have it right there. Here we got the pop filter. Let's remove this up. Beautiful mic, super easy to install. It doesn't require any drivers. All right, so we can set up this in a flash. So see, so we have the tripod here. Okay, we got that going. Perfect. All right, we're gonna remove that. All right, we can leave this one if you want, or we can remove that if you want to. So we're gonna go and push this down. All right, so we remove the Velcro out. So you're gonna plug this right in USB 2.0 or USB 3.0. If you have a USB 2.0, and that's not better, but that's where you're supposed to plug in. And leave the 3 for something else for a drive. But if not, you plug it in at the USB 3.0. Works perfect, either or. So now we see it right there. And now, right, to make sure it's what we're looking for right there. Okay, that should be pointed to my side. All right, and even we have the little pop filter right there. So now you can see it now. Let's go and let's show you this work. Okay, so we see the pop filter. All right, check the microphone. Real nice, beautiful microphone. All right, now we have a tripod, so easy to set up right on the table. So easy for, again, right, podcast. Now, allow me to move this around if I want, but that way you're going to be using this way, or we can move it around, but I think that will be the best way. And this one, it already comes out, so you can move it on the side if you want, if you don't want to use it. But now you have a great microphone. All right, so right now we're testing the TONOR TC77. You want to start broadcasting? Pretty simple. Plug in, and that's it. No drivers or controllers required. In my case, I set up for my Wirecast Pro. Detected, no problem. As you can hear, beautiful sound. So start broadcasting today, or make your own soundtracks by using the TONOR 77. Now that you see it, right, it's super easy to install. So now you can make some real nice and clear Zoom calls or Skype, whatever you want to use it. If you wanted to start running your own podcast, that's a perfect too. Or for a gaming channel, so we can run it this way. Or also, if we want, we can use this to protect your TONOR microphone, the TC77. Super easy to install. Plug it in any free USB and port right in your computer, and technically you're done. All right, so now you know the TONOR TC77. See you next time.